Graphical method of linear programming. Solve the problem LPP graphically. Maximize z equal to 2x plus 2000x plus 1000y. St means subject to x plus y less than or equal to 400. 8x plus 5y less than or equal to 2600, and x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Now in this case, first we have to go for writing the equations inequalities into equalities. It means x plus y less than or equal to 400. Now we have to make it x plus y equal to 400. Less than or equal to 400 means inequality. Therefore we have to make it equality, means x plus y equal to 400, and 8x plus 5y less than or equal to 2600. It is inequality. You have to make it 8x plus 5y equal to 2600. Now in this case you have to go certain steps. First, basically inequalities, and every equation now that is represented straight line graph, and draw the lines to the points of each of the line and are found as indicated in the table. Then I will explain. Then you see, now the equations are now that is written inequalities into equalities. X plus y equal to 400, first equation. 8x plus 5y equal to 2600, second equation. Now you go for the equation and calculate for the graph. Now you see x plus y equal to 400. Now in this case, first column is equation, second column putting x equal to 0, corresponding y is, when x equal to 0, what is the value of the y, and putting y equal to 0, corresponding x is, then where the value of y equal to 0, then what is the value of the x, then point on x and y axis on the line. Then we have to go for first equation, x plus y equal to 400, y equal to 400. 400 means x plus y means x value is 1, y value is also 1. Therefore y equal to 400 divided by 1 equal to 400. And here the value of x is 0, and the points on the line, now that is 0, x is 0 and y is 400. You see x, y. Now at the same time repeat the same equation, x plus y equal to 400. Now in this case, now x equal to 0, corresponding y is already calculated. Now come to calculate the value of x equal to 400. It means x means 1x. Therefore x equal to 400 divided by 1, we get now that is 400. Now x on point is 400, y is 0. Next, 8x plus 5y equal to 2600. Now where x equal to 0, therefore y equal to 2600 divided by 5. Now it means 5y, divided by 5. Now we can get now that is 520, and x value is 0. Now points on the line, now that is 0, 520. And next 8x, same equation you can repeat. Now in this case y is 0, then x value is x equal to 2600 divided by 8, because 8x, therefore divided by, now that is 8, now that comes to 325. Therefore 325, 0 points on the line. Then x equal to 0 you take on y axis, y equal to 0 take on x axis. Then in this case draw the graph for this one. We can get the graphs on the line. You see, it is x axis and it is y axis. Now in this case, now you see x plus y, now that is you can taken that where x equal to 0, y is 400 point, you take here in this point, and where y equal to 0, x value is 400, you take point here. Now according to the points on the line, what you are calculated in the table, now join these two. Now that is these 2 points can be joined by the scale like this, join the line. Now that is x plus y equal to, now that is 400, and at the same time you come for, now that is x equal to 0, then now that is y is concerned for, now that is 525 here, now that is 525, and at the same time now that is x is 325, then y is 0, and join the two lines by the scale. Then you see where these 2 points are intersecting, that point is called, now that is D. In this case, now you find the corner points in this corner points. Now it is A, now 0 0, next B 0 400, next C 325 0, next D 200 200. It means y axis 200, then x axis is also 200, where you are taking the values like this. Now where you are identifying the corner points, then you go for calculation by taking the equation, now that is z equal to 2000x plus 1005. now A 0 0, B 0 400, C 325 0, D 200 200. Now in equation z equal to 2000x plus 1000y. Now in this case 2000 into 0 plus 1000 into 0 equal to 0. Next 2000 into 0, 1000 into 400, now that comes to 4 lakhs. Next 2000 into 325 plus 1000 into 0, 6 lakhs 50,000. Then 2000 into 325 in this case, then again 1000 into, now that is value, now that is 200. Now in this case now that comes to, now 2000 into 200, then 1000 into 200, now that is 6 lakhs. You find the maximum. Now here it is the maximum. Then in the corner points, in the maximization problem, where we are identifying the corner points for A, B, C and D, now it is the feasible region. We have to note it and you find the maximum. Now in this case I explained, then why we are taking that the maximization point in optimality, now that is 6,50,000.